Diyan mo po kang ano kasi madilim dyan eh. Go there. So don't have to keep moving.
Kasi hindi ako nakakanta nakaupo. Sa kanya ko natuto.
This is your one.
Your one.
No, show one. Bakit ngayon kung kailan ng aking puso'y which one's my pick? Mayroon ng laman.
The first.
Sana'y alam ko na darating ka sa buhay ko. Isana'y naghintay ako.
That's you now.
Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap. Ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking hawak. At hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon kaya dumating sa buhay ko? Ilipin mo buksan ang aking puso. Ikaw ba ay nakarapat sa akin? At siya ba ay unang limutan? Malaman
I'm worried that you're gonna lose it by this thing.
Huh?
On the second one, I'm sorry you're gonna lose it. What does that mean?
You
You're
do
gonna lose
voice.
out of tune because I'm going high.
Like what? Ikaw sana
natin yan sa
aking
That'd be great.
ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking hawak.
This is the other
At hindi kanya. At hindi kanya.
That's all.
Bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko?
Are we leaving?
You're bleeding.
Put
some Vaseline. Your lips. Ako nawawala sa'yo, bitch.
Careful dyan to.
Focus! Nice!
Quickly, come out of it!
Bakit ngayon kailan? It's you. Bakit ngayon kailan? Dumating sa buhay ko. Ilipin mo buksan
This is middle.
ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin?
That's loud.
Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon ka lang dumating. Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon
Leinster!
Lake
Run! The bus is late.
Huh?
The bus is late.
For what?
No, I get it.
I don't get it. Do you even know what you're singing about?
No?
Burping.
Is that what it says?
It says why? It says bakit ngayon ka lang dumating means why did you arrive just now?
Oh. Oh, I get it! Oh, it's broken again.
Oh no.